Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the 2025 DS7, a French luxury SUV that's trying to shake up the premium crossover game. But does it have what it takes to challenge the German giants? Let's find out! First impressions? The DS7 definitely turns heads. While BMW and Audi play it safe, DS goes bold with a striking front end featuring slim headlights and eye-catching daytime running lights. Around back, those crystal-like taillights and chrome details add some serious French flair. Running on wheels up to 21 inches, it's got presence, and that's exactly what you want in this segment. Now let's talk power. DS gives you two flavors, a 1.5-liter diesel, pushing out 131 horses, or a plug-in hybrid setup. Being honest, the diesel's not winning any drag races with its 10.7-second sprint to 60, but here's the upside. It'll do 53 miles per gallon if you're gentle. The plug-in hybrid is the more interesting choice, offering up to 43 miles of pure electric driving and better acceleration. Perfect for those urban commutes and school runs. But here's where things get cool. The DS7 packs some serious tech with a camera system that actually scans the road ahead and adjusts the suspension on the fly. Pretty sci-fi, right? Most of the time it works like a charm, soaking up bumps before you even hit them. Though occasionally it'll miss one and, well, you'll definitely know about it. Step inside, and it's clear DS wanted to make a statement. Maybe too many statements. The cabin's a bit like walking into a fashion show. Lots of textures, materials, and design elements competing for attention. Quality's solid where it counts, with nice leather and soft-touch materials up top, though you'll find some harder plastics if you go looking. You get two screens, a 12.3-inch digital cluster, and a 12-inch touchscreen. They look slick, but those dark graphics can be tough to read sometimes. Thank goodness for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. They're your best friends here. Now, here's where the DS7 really shines. Practicality. With 555 liters of cargo space, it's the class leader. That's more than the BMW X1, Audi Q3, or Mercedes GLA. There's a catch though. Fold those seats down and you'll find an annoying ridge in the floor. It's like they almost nailed it, but not quite. Front seats? Plenty of space. Back seats? Watch your head, especially if you've got that panoramic roof. But hey, at least your stuff's safe with all the standard safety tech, emergency braking, blind spot assist, lane keeping, the works. Spring for a higher trim and you'll get adaptive cruise control too. Price-wise, you're looking at $39,000 to start, though smart shoppers can find deals. The sweet spot? Performance Line Plus with the diesel engine. The plug-in hybrids are tempting, but push the price into serious premium territory. So what's the verdict on the 2025 DS7? It's like that indie film competing against summer blockbusters. It's different, interesting, and does some things better than the mainstream competition. That massive cargo space and unique style definitely count for something. But the occasionally clumsy dynamics and quirky interior might be deal breakers for some. We give it an 8 out of 10, and I'd say that's fair. It's not quite a giant killer, but it's far from a failure. If you want something different from the usual German suspects and value practicality, the DS7 deserves a spot on your shortlist. That's it for today's review. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the DS7. Would you pick this over a BMW X1 or Audi Q3? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.